Hi, my name is Senior Airman Chang with the Trevally Fire Department, and this is a smoke detector. It's constantly scanning the air and never sleeps, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Smoke detectors are provided with 9-volt batteries, and you need to test these monthly. And to do so, all you got to do is press this button here. Now, do keep in mind that these batteries do die out, and make sure to replace them either every 6 months or whenever there is a time change. If you ever hear the noise from a smoke detector, please ensure to investigate the scene first and then follow your appropriate evacuation plan. Thank you.